Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the Kingston XS1000. This is a external hard drive. This is what it looks like here. I have the 2 TB model, but it does have a bunch of different options. I'm gonna run a couple speed tests and see if I can put movies on it and play it on different devices. Let's get into it. All right guys, I've got the device plugged into the computer now, and I want to do a quick test to see how fast can it move over this 354 gigabytes of movies onto my drive here. So we're just going to go ahead and move this over, and then I'm going to hit the start button as fast as possible, and we'll see just how fast this really goes. So we can see it right here. So we are going about 700 megabytes per second. So it's going to take us still a little bit, but that's still pretty fast. We're almost at a gigabyte per second. And then the next thing we'll do once this is complete is I want to see if I can play these movies on my phone, on my TV, make sure I can play content off of this drive on multiple devices. So we'll do that next, and we'll check in when this is complete and see how long it took. All right guys, so as you can see here, we are rounding up to the 100% here, and we're at about 8 minutes and probably gonna be 50 seconds when this finishes. So as you can see, this thing is very, very fast, as well as having a lot of storage. It's basically a huge, fast flash drive. So everything is on here now. I'm going to plug it up to my phone and see if I can play a movie on it. Okay, guys, I went ahead and plugged it in. Let's see what happens here. All right, if I go to the Files app here, I can see Kingston, Movies. Let's go ahead and select one of these. We'll watch, what do we say, Alien vs. Predator. Can we play this just on my phone without issue? And there we go. So this Kingston device is definitely working on a phone. Very cool there. This would be awesome to travel with. You basically have unlimited movies in the less than the palm of your hand, basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop that. So that's awesome. Let's try it on a TV. And boom, guys, there you go. I got it plugged in and I can see all of my movies here. So let's go ahead and hit another one. And if it plays, then this device is pretty sweet. Can basically have a portable kind of movie hard drive, very small, very quick speeds, and very easy to plug in. So check it out. I will leave a link down below.